Welcome to Crazed Performance Repair. We have a 2009 Honda Accord here. Now, this is a 2.4 liter Honda Accord, and this applies to much more than the 2.4 Honda Accord. It applies to pretty much every Honda there is, as far as the actual problem for why your AC may or may not be working. Before you go bringing it to the mechanic, hear me out. This here is the relay box on this particular car. You need to check your relay and fuse box on your Honda. There's a very good chance your AC is not working because of a simple relay. So on this particular car, the relay is located right inside this box here. If it would ever focus, we have a relay box. It's just got a couple of tabs. Comes up nice and easy. Now, the relay on this car is right here. However, if you are working on a different model and you need to know where yours is, you can look inside this cover. If I could get the lighting right, this would be amazing. So you can see the little indicators there. They leave like an information thing you're supposed to look in the book. But clearly, you can see the little snowflake on the left side there. That snowflake indicates the AC clutch on this vehicle. So look for that on your vehicle, your particular Honda, and you can see by the layout on here, it matches when you hold it up like this. It matches the relays and fuses. So it's on the bottom left over here, just like it's on the bottom left over here. So that is what you should replace before you further diagnose or pay somebody to diagnose why your air conditioner doesn't work. I have replaced 20 different Honda relays because of this exact scenario. So I think I've had 2 where it was something that wasn't the relay. But for the most part, it's always that relay. So check that relay first. If your AC starts working, great. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Like, share, subscribe. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Thanks for watching.